And it's Halloween. I have a box to unbox, so let's take a look at it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see what I'm doing because this box is too tall for my little setup here. So let's see if I can get a little peek. All right, here it is. Oh, I'm so happy this finally came. I was hoping that that's what this was. So let me take this out and we'll talk about it. All right, this is smaller than I had in my head, but I am really, really anxious to see this. Okay, so I bought this. I don't think it was Cyber Monday, but I'm not sure. They had a really good sale on this. It was $159. I bought this, but they literally sent it to the wrong place. They sent it to somewhere in New Jersey. I don't have anybody in New Jersey. I don't know where they got that address from, but I had to file a claim and all that. But then they Dooney and Bourke reimbursed me, and I had to buy it again. And it was just luckiness that it was still on sale and it was still in stock. But anyway, let's take a look. It looked really cute. I haven't seen anybody else talking about this, the people that I follow, but it looked really like it's a really high quality purse, and I'm hoping that it is. I got this from the Dooney and Bourke site, not the I Love Dooney site. All right, so let's take a look. And I got, so this was a good price, and I got Capital One shopping rewards. And it was so hard for me to figure out which color I wanted. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now, it's a little more, the shape is a little different than I thought it was going to be. But I'm okay with it. It's just different. I thought it was going to be, the regular round doctor bag. Maybe it's just misshapen. I don't know. Or maybe it's supposed to come up to like a little point like that. It didn't look like that to me on the website, but it's not something that is too disappointing. It's a little different. But I'm wondering, when I get it stuffed and stuff, if it will kind of take the shape that I want it to. But anyway, let's take a look at this. This leather feels luxurious. This does not have feet. But I thought that this would look more like, and to me it does, it looks more like the Louis Vuitton Speedies. Like, all of this, to me, mimics Louis Vuitton. And I really like it. Okay, so let me take the wrapping off the handles. I don't want to scratch this because this is natural leather. Well, let me see. I think the color is caramel. Oh, is it camel? Let me see. Camel. Okay, so I think it is dyed, but still I don't want to scratch it. And I don't know if this is treated, like, is it, like their regular stuff, is it weather resistant and stuff like that. But it is really nice. The leather feels really nice and supple. I'm really happy with this. I think I want another one in a different color. So this is the barrel satchel. To me, this, I wonder, did somebody send this back? Well, where's the stuffing? But anyway, all right, so I got my little warranty card or whatever, and then you got the little sticker in there. I usually kind of keep the sticker in there. I take the card out, and we have 2 slip pockets in the front and a zipper pocket in the back, and then a slip pocket in front. This is light colored material in there. I wish that it had more color to it, so it wouldn't show up stains, but that's just me. Oh, and then let's take a look at this strap. This strap looks nice. Now, the strap is different than what I associate with Dooney. And it feels kind of stiff, like it might hurt, actually. Like it might dig into your arm. I'm not as pleased with that, but we'll see. And I think that I would probably take a link out and wear this as a shoulder strap, because I think this is supposed to be where you can do that, where you can change it. Super cute. Got the key keeper, and I know a lot of people would probably just wear this as a it's a hand carry or arm carry. I get tired with that. So I usually want to use my strap, and I use it as a shoulder strap. But this is so pretty. I'm so happy with this. I want another one. And I'm actually wanting another one to see if it's got this kind of dome shape. I don't know. Kind of like a triangle shape almost. Or if that is because it didn't have stuffing in it. But anyway, I'm not upset with it. I'm not sending it back. I'm super happy to have this. And I can't wait to wear it. All right, so I would love some feedback if you guys have one of these, and is this the shape? But anyway, leave me a comment, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.